Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Pipedrive account, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you import your email contact list into your Pipedrive? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to import your subscriber list into Pipedrive anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know that sometimes you're going to change service providers. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Pipedrive dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Pipedrive, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to go ahead and import your email subscriber list into your Pipedrive, here on the left, you're going to see a menu. You want to go ahead and scroll down until you see this one. It looks kind of like business cards. And when you hover over it, it should say contacts. Okay, once you do that, you're going to see all of the contacts inside of your Pipedrive. You can see I have a lot of sample contacts. And in order to import your email subscriber list, there's actually two different ways you can do it. The first one is this green button. There's a little arrow on it. Go ahead and click there and click on import data, or you can click on these three little dots over here on the right and then click on import data. Okay, once you do that, you're going to be able to import your email subscriber list. It does have to be a spreadsheet. It can be XLSX or CSV. If you're looking for a sample file, you can click right here, and that way you can see how this should be laid out. So next you want to go ahead and just click right here, upload spreadsheet, and then choose the spreadsheet with your email subscriber list. Okay, next you're going to see this pop up. So you can have Pipedrive map out your data, and it's going to be powered by AI, or you can manually do it yourself. And by mapping it out, that means marking it as email, first name, last name, maybe address. For me, I'm going to go ahead and use the AI assistant. Okay, now it's importing. Okay, now as far as mapping goes, it looks like it did a pretty good job. So it pulled up the first name, it also pulled up the email, and they mapped it right here on the Pipedrive email, the city, the state. So that looks pretty good to me. If all that looks good to you and you're ready to go ahead and import your email subscriber list, click on next down here on the bottom right. Once you click on next, it's going to show the uploads. So we have these files right here, and we're going to click on next. Okay, so now if you have duplicates, you can ask Pipedrive to go ahead and merge that data, or you can have them create multiple records. That's up to you. Usually I'm going to have them merge data just because I don't need two different contacts of the same person. And I'm going to click on start import. Okay, a quick second later, the page refreshes. Now you can see these contacts have been added. So we can go back over here to contacts. Okay, now you can see down here at the bottom, our contacts have now been added. So there you have it, guys. If you're looking to import or upload your email subscriber list into your Pipedrive account, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up, or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.